Welcome back to Beatboxing Fundamentals, where you're learning the basic sounds of beatboxing so that you can turn your voice into a musical instrument. All right. Now, we've already covered a lot, right? We've covered the three basic sounds of beatboxing: the kick, the snare, and the hi-hat. Right. We've covered inward snares. Right. We've covered melody. We've covered special effects. And vocal trumpets, right? Now we're going to start learning some basic sounds again, right? We're going to learn the PF snare, right? Which was one of the first beatboxing sounds, right? And we're also going to learn about clap snares and think about lip basses, right? So the first one is called the PF snare, and it's just like it sounds, right? We're taking a P and an F and we're making that into a snare sound. It sounds like this. All right. So what we want to do is form our lips like we're making an F sound. And we want to then create a P sound on top of the F. All right, let's try it. F and put the P over it. FP or PF, the PF snare. I'm going to make this sound and I just want you to repeat it. We'll start slow and then we'll get faster. Here we go. Very good, very good. So now let's try to do this where we're putting it to the beat. Remember those basic sounds, the kick drum and the hi-hat? Now we're going to use the PF snare. Here we go. Slow it down. All right, let's do this. Let's use this PF sound and a vocal scratch. Remember those vocal scratch sounds? Your vocal scratch might sound different than someone else's. And that's awesome because, again, remember, there is no wrong sound in beatboxing. Any sound that your voice can make is a good sound, all right? So let's try it. Try to follow me. All right, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good.